With Smart View for Google Workspace, access Cloud EPM data, plan using forms, perform ad hoc analysis, while having the ability to import, manipulate, distribute, and share data in Google Sheets. To complete the tasks in setting up Smart View for Google Workspace, make sure that you have a supported Cloud EPM business process application and access to Google Sheets. Enable support for Google Sheets from the application settings of every business process that users want to connect to using Smart View and Google Sheets. If this option is not enabled for your application and you try to open the Smart View home panel in Google Sheets, you will receive a message stating that it has not been enabled. Users can reopen saved sheets, view sheet information, adjust data values, expand or collapse cells, and change Smart View options. For additional information and supported features, see the Working with Oracle Smart View for Google Workspace documentation. If your company requires users to connect to Cloud EPM and Smart View for Google using your organization sign-in credentials, create an Oracle Identity Cloud Service or IDCS application. If native users are used for authentication, you won't need to perform this step. For Smart View, you'll need to create a mobile application. For detailed steps, see the Creating an Oracle Identity Cloud Service application in the Getting Started with Oracle Smart View for Google Workspace documentation. After creating the application, take note of the client ID. IDCS users will need to enter this when connecting to Smart View. Next, activate the application you just created. Sign in to Google Sheets using your Google Workspace credentials and open a new spreadsheet. From the Extensions menu, navigate to the Application Marketplace. In the dialog, search for Oracle Smart View, then click to select and open the information page for the extension. Click Install. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions to complete the installation. Upgrades and updates to the extension are applied automatically to the installed extensions. Common Smart View operations are listed in the Smart View extension menu, including creating connections, launching the Smart View home panel, setting Smart View options, viewing sheet information, refreshing and submitting data, and launching forms and ad hoc grid operations. I'll connect to my planning business process. For company sign-in, select the checkbox. Then enter your server URL, client ID, and IDCS URL from registering your IDCS application. You will then be prompted using your organization's single sign-on. I will be logging on using basic authentication. Clear Session clears all active connections in the extension. Any stored cache and connected data sources and user sessions are also cleared. Logs is only used by Oracle support and should not be selected during normal operations. Selecting this option will significantly affect performance. Once connected, you can launch the Smart View home panel. You can access Smart View commands through the Smart View menu and home panel. You can add operations to your favorites panel by clicking the star next to the action. Easily remove items from your favorites by clearing its star icon. The Smart View home panel provides a library of cubes, forms, ad hoc grids, and other artifacts present in your application. Open a form by clicking its name. You can now start planning using forms and perform ad hoc analysis in Smart View for Google Workspace. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.